Right?
All right.
Yeah, it's baby Izzy.
Yeah.
Izzard the lizard.
That you, baby Izzy?
Yeah.
Harrison, do you want to go get on the video with baby Izzy? With
Can
Sam
you jump,
later?
Izzy? Jump. Jump. You're jumping. Ready?
Harrison, go over by Izzy. Give her kisses. Yes.
More jumping? No.
You should give her a little drink of orange juice. Look at your book.
Oh, it's a nice book, too. High quality.
Cat.
Hildegard.
Hildegard.
Okay. Hildegard. There she is. Farfel.
Farfel.
Farfel. Kitty cat. Hildegard. Hildegard. Hildegard.
Harrison, just go give Izzy kisses. That's okay.
We're being very
Do some commentary. This is baby.
it.
This is baby.
Izzy.
Greetings, YouTube world.
August 2nd,
That
2008.
baby Izzy. That baby
8:22
Izzy.
a.m.
That
Central
Mike.
Daylight Time. Daylight Time?
That you,
We're in
Mike.
Hutchinson, Minnesota,
That you, Mike.
in a house belonging to Mark and
He
Chris
holding
Ashwell.
blue.
And we're all here. Some of us are having juice. Some of us are having coffee.
Oh, this.
Other of us
What's this?
are having books. I wish I could say more. I get so kicked up. So great to be here. I love you all.
Can I have a kiss on the cheek?
Mimosa.
Give her a kiss on the cheek.
Thank you.
Give Izzy kisses too.
Give Izzy kisses. Izzy needs a kiss on her cheek.
I did.
Give her another one.
There. Very nice.
Stop it.
He's very nice.
Hey, baby Izzy.
Oh, Harry. She's blanky. Oh.
Dee dee.